Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change border color in Photoshop or many ways. Step 1, select only shape or first select only shape, then click pen tool or shape tool. Select this stroke and change stroke color, customs color. Okay, and step 2, right click magic wand tool, select multiple or single, right click convert to smart object, again right click rasterize layer, then select the color and change color anything, hold alter, click backspace, press Ctrl H. And step 3, use for effects with effects color. Example, click effects and apply the stroke, change stroke color, increase the size for the stroke. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.